Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I discovered a little travel hack to get some liquor on the ship. Now, for those of y'all who don't know, when you go on a cruise, there are bars on the ship and you have a few options. You can pay for your drink by each drink, which will cost you probably $10 to $15 per drink, or you can get a drink package, which is usually $40 to $70 per day per person. It used to be really easy to share drinks with whoever's in your cabin. So if you had 4 adults in a cabin, one person got the drink package, everybody could drink on that, right? Well, cruise lines became privy to what people were doing. So now usually if you get a drink package, everybody in your cabin who is 18 or older or 21 and older, one of those, has to get a drink package too. So it can really add up. And this method is not for everybody. If you're just balling on the ship, get your drink package for you and everybody in your cabin. But if you need to save, $400, $500, $600, $700, depending on how long your cruise is, this method might be for you. Also, on every cruise ship, you are allowed to take at least 2 bottles of wine. So this is why I chose the Andre champagne. Is it really champagne? The sparkling wine bottles. I like the Andre bottles because, as you can see, part of this method is covering the bottle back up after you've already opened it, and it has a lot of extra that gold seal. So that's why I like Andre. They're also dark bottles. So usually wine is going to be more yellow than just regular plain clear liquor. So you can't really tell when it's in this dark tinted bottle when you put it in. So that's why I chose these Andre bottles. I believe I'm still on the first bottle here, and this is my first time using Andre. So I was still figuring my method out. I thought that double-sided tape would be my savior, and it was not. It was not sticking like I expected it to. So in the second bottle I'm going to start, that's actually the method I'm going to focus on because it was the most efficient and it looked the most untampered with. So again, you can take 2 bottles of wine in your luggage, but usually if something is suspicious in your luggage, they will go through it. So it was important that these bottles looked like they were not tampered with. I believe we only did 3 bottles. This was a family cruise, and it was only for 4 days. And if I remember correctly, we still had almost a full bottle left by the last day. So this was definitely enough for us. I recommend 1 bottle per person per every few days, but it also depends on how much you drink, So this one is the most successful one I did. If you want to run it back a little bit, you can see I was very careful when I was cutting around the seal. There is a piece that basically broke in the first bottle that didn't break in this one, and made it really, really easy to just screw the top back on. And this one also had a lot of extra of that gold stuff, so it was easy to wrap back up and make it look like it hadn't been tampered with. If you want to really be a pro about it, maybe you have a group of 8 people that need this method. I would look on Amazon for this gold foil that they put on wine bottles, because if I had extra of that, then it would have been easy breezy. Here I am trying to repair the first one because it still kept popping off. The tape was not holding it in place. I do eventually end up just cutting the tape off altogether and using nail glue for the first bottle. But the nail glue worked much better than the double-sided tape. But you'll see more of that in a second. Some other reasons why you might want to do this, other than just saving money, is so that you can have the type of liquor that you want. The ships, depending on the cruise line, might not have your favorite bottle. Most of them the bars are pretty well stocked, but if you have your go-to drink that don't give you a hangover, that you can drink all day, like water, which of course would not recommend even if you do have a drink like that, this is definitely a way to make sure to get your favorite drink on board. And yeah, I'll let y'all just look at the rest of this process. Any questions, you can comment below. I can see this video getting some, look how crispy and just smooth that looked. It looked like it was just bought out the store like that. And that's what you want. So yeah, but anyway, I was saying I can see this video getting some negative feedback, and if it's not for you, don't do it. But I think cruise ships really take advantage of people who do like to drink alcohol, especially in the last few years. They don't make it easy. So yeah, just drink responsibly, y'all. That's what's important. As long as you're drinking responsibly, you can bring as much liquor on board as you want, that you can fit into wine bottles. That is the one I'm super proud of. And then this is the one I think that I had to fix with the nail glue. So yeah. And here we are on the ship, and my mom's going to be super excited because her bottle got through.